I have, reasons to wake up. I have reasons to want to go to work, I have people who want to see me. They miss me when I'm gone, and that's not something that I've really experienced before. And so it's like a whole new world. It's crazy.
I think one of the unique things about Head Start in general is that the program design focuses on parent input and really parent leadership. And so the Parent Place is really born out of parents' input and their desire to have a space, because we know that anti-poverty programs are most effective when they are designed, by the people who are participating in them.
It's open for parents to come in, whether they just want to come in and grab a cup of coffee or a snack. They can meet each other, in and out. We have a lot that do that, but we also have a lot of parents that come in and they just enjoy the time in here together.
A lot of times in human services, we look at trying to fix people. I think at the heart of the Parent Place and what's unique about the Parent Place is that it is not deficit-based. The idea behind it is that the parents and the families that we serve are resilient and they are enough exactly as they are. And so we don't need to fix them. They're not broken people.
It's a little bit radical in terms of the human services sector because it is unstructured. It's not a parenting class. It's not a curriculum. It's simply a space for people to build relationships with one another.
I kind of would say, when you go to therapy and you talk with your therapist, but you guys, color pictures at the same time, or you build a tower, it's kind of like that. It's just little things to help keep your mind at ease while you have those difficult conversations.
I was married for 25 wonderful years to a woman named Carol Burt. When Carol passed away, there were donations made in her honor, both to First Plymouth Church and Community Health Endowment, because she had been on the board of CHE for many years. And I didn't know what to do with them, but at some point Lori Seibel from CHE called me and said, I think I've got the perfect project for you. They're doing what's called a Parent Place at the K Street Head Start. And so the furniture that you see around here was paid for by the donations that were in Carol's honor.
I think as we were creating this and coming up with the idea, knowing that that's the heart, one of the things that was really important was that it was a really beautiful welcoming space. Thanks to Dawn's contribution, we were able to furnish it with really beautiful, cohesive stuff that feels really welcoming and beautiful. We had parents, when we first opened the space up, that came in and we said, oh, come on in, grab a cup of coffee. And they looked and they said, this space is for us? This is for us. All this new furniture is for us. It's not for your staff at all. And we said, no, this is for you. It might be the most beautiful space in the building, and it's for every parent that we serve.
There was a lot in my life that stopped my passions and my want to grow, and that drive that people should have, and getting involved and being surrounded by so many people who share the like-mindedness, the qualities, the struggles, the little victories. I feel included, I feel a sense of belongingness.